Oh, nice, man. What give thanks, man.
Don't trust me, boss. Well done.
Welcome to Chef Henry Kitchen. I am in the beautiful parish of Portland, Jamaica. I am on my way to the river. I am going to cook a big pot of Janga soup, aka shrimp. Lots of people know it as shrimp. In Jamaica, we know it as Janga. I am on the Cedar Valley Trail and there's lots of history on this trail. Come along with me and explore the beautiful landscape of Portland, Jamaica. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for when I upload new video, you don't miss a thing. My team member is my dad, aka Tupac, my cousin Brian, and my friend Gussie.
The soup gonna be good, and this shrimp soup recipe, it's gonna have everything. I'm gonna show you guys how we catch a shrimp, but if you're in Jamaica, you know it as Janga. And there is lots of history about this place I'm going to, because there's a cave where the slave used to stay, and I'm gonna show you guys all of that. Just tour with me, guys.
This is history right here, this bridge, and also behind that bush, the cave entrance is right there. I don't know how old is this bridge. I never do any research, but I know this cave is right here. I'm gonna try to get you close to the entrance, and also on the other side, there's a rock over there. I remember once I came here, me and a couple friends, and that rock, you can climb on it, but you have to slip back down. I'm gonna show you the cave entrance. This is the entrance of the cave, and I heard from a couple elders, they tell me that the exit is at Silver Hill Gap, but I'm not gonna go there today. And there's lots of slaves that stay at this cave right here. I even heard that there's an iron gate inside there. I never explored before, but maybe next time I will do a follow-up and do more history research on this cave.
Just put them on the same place.
And this hike to the river that we are going to catch a shrimp, I'm telling you, Portland is very resourceful. This is a guava tree, but there is no guava on it, so I never get any. This trail used to use as the main trail back in the day. This trail takes you to the community of Cascade, Padhouse, and Section. Lots of people use it, and this rock is a part of the cave. I know you all are enjoying this adventure, hiking to the river with me and my team. Landslide, but check out this amazing view of the river below us. This is a banana tree, and this is what the young fruit of a banana look like. Look at the fingers. And this is the base part of the tree. Finally, we arrive at the river and we are getting ready to catch the shrimp, aka Janga. And this water, it's beautiful, nice and refreshing. I wash my face and I'm telling you, I'm gonna be 10 years younger. So we are trying, and at this time we don't catch any shrimp as yet, but knowing us, we're not gonna give up. We're gonna keep trying. Still no sign of shrimp. I checked my net thoroughly. And we keep trying. But check out this waterfall. We're moving upstream. Hopefully we get lucky. Still no sign of shrimp. I am going under. Check it out. And this is a beautiful waterfall. We have to climb over these waterfalls, and it's amazing, and I love the view. This is when we're gonna get lucky. I saw shrimp under here.
It's a good size one. That one you have egg.
You know mine.
You can get catch. Hold it. Hold it. Alright. Yeah, we are catching them. They're small, but this is what we came in the river for. So we have 3 in the bag.
Small for keeping that bag.
Hold the bag, you know.
If too small for keeping that bag, hold that bag.
I three of them in there. I want to jump out. You catch any more than that?
Yeah, man.
One little one in there, man.
Now we are improving on the size. The size is getting bigger and bigger. In big, in left foot to me.
Let me put.
We catch enough shrimp to make the soup, and it's time to leave the river and get the soup pot on the fire.
We have a little bit of vegetable oil, run it and oil. Thus it can take a clean off easily. I know it's going on the fire, so I'm gonna get some water.
I have the pot on the fire. And we have all the shrimp inside the pot, aka Janga. And I'm cooking with family and friends. We're gonna enjoy this pot of soup. Now I'm getting ready to make the dumpling, and we cannot make soup without dumpling. I'm gonna show you the process of kneading the flour. I added my salt in the flour, so you just add water and it's step by step as you go. Now the flour is complete. I'm gonna let the flour sit. Now I'm getting ready to peel the yam, and here is some of my ingredients. Like I go through them real quick with you guys. Potatoes, pumpkin, chayote, and in Jamaica they know this as chocho. Thyme, cock soup, and pumpkin soup. It's right on it. Rooster. The rooster is right here. So it's on it. Jerk seasoning, meat seasoning, and just some all-purpose seasoning just to get the pot well seasoned. And this is yellow yam. While I'm peeling the pumpkin, I'm so excited to make shrimp soup recipe for you guys. And I'm also glad to be here in Jamaica and enjoying the beautiful landscape. Now I'm cutting up all of my vegetable, yam and pumpkin. I'm gonna cut them into cubes, and this is gonna add thickness and body to the soup. Now I finish cutting up all of these, I'm gonna add it straight into the pot. And this soup is sharing from me and my friends and the rest of my family. I'm gonna add the dumpling. And remember, if you're making soup, you have to add dumpling. I'm just adding some spinners. And I just want you to watch the video to the end, because this recipe, it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna add some thyme, and this gonna add flavor to the soup. Follow up by my soup mix. I'm just giving it a quick stir. And this soup mix gonna add more flavor into the soup. I'm gonna add the pumpkin soup mix, then give it another stir to ensure the soup mix is not settling at the bottom of the pot. Then I'm gonna give it a quick taste. I don't think I need to add any salt to this soup. I'm gonna add the next cock soup mix, another stir to get it distributed evenly. Now I'm gonna add some seasoning. Now I'm gonna place the cover on and let the soup boil. Now I'm gonna check on the soup. And look, there's lots of stuff and in this soup, and everybody gonna enjoy this soup. Okay, now I'm gonna check on the soup pot. Everything is just simmer down. And this is rich shrimp, aka Janga soup. I taste the pot already, and this soup have a good taste, and it tasted so good. I can't wait to show you guys when I serve it. Now that the soup pot is finished and it's landed well, everybody's having a cup. I'm enjoying a cup right here. How is the soup?
Good.
Sam? See it? Everybody sharing. My dad has stir it out and he must share out some.
That's the
Look
shrimp.
at the lovely shrimp.
Only in Jamaica.
AKA
Blue.
Janga.
From
Done?
flour. They call it spinners.
What is soup then?
Oh, nice man. Give thanks, man. You just trust me, boss. Well done.